Welcome to the most beautiful and ancient city of Istanbul. This is Istanbul New Airport. It is constructed in April 2019. Today we will visit to Istanbul and get to know the history, culture and life of Istanbul. The name Istanbul was derived from a combination of the word Islambol, which means the city of Islam in Turkish language. The root of this word Istanbul is a Greek word stinpolis, which means inside the city. When someone says he is going to Istanbul, he means that he is going within the city walls. Dear viewers, let's take the formal start of today's video. This is Hagia Sophia Masjid, Istanbul, where Jummah prayer is being performed. Hagia Sophia is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. It was designed under Justinian I, built in less than 6 years in 537 AD. It was the largest Christian church of Eastern Roman Empire and the Eastern Orthodox Church. After the fall of Constantinople in 1453 to the Ottoman Empire, it was converted into a masjid. In 1935, the Secular Republic of Turkey established it as a museum. In 2020, it was reconverted into a masjid during the administration of Tayyip Erdogan. In 1453, Mehmed II added a wooden minar on the exterior side, a tower used for the summons of prayers. Minars were added to it when it was converted into a masjid in the 15th and 16th centuries under the Ottoman Empire. This is the Hagia Sophia internal side decoration. After the conversion of Hagia Sophia into masjid, the interior of masjid was totally changed. Now the holy names of Allah Almighty, the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the names of 4 great caliphs are highlighted on the interior walls of Hagia Sophia main hall. Mehmed II also added a great chandelier, a mihrab indicating the direction of Makkah, and a pulpit in masjid. Although the images of humans are almost never found in masjid's architecture, the depicting of Mary and Jesus remained uncovered in the Masjid of Hagia Sophia till 1739. At that time, the mosaic was plastered over. The plaster was later removed during the building in 1934 conversion into a museum. Now Hagia Sophia is functional masjid and most visited place of Istanbul. There is another grand masjid in front of Hagia Sophia, which is known as Blue Mosque. Although technically Blue Masjid is called Sultan Ahmed Masjid, people just refer it as the Blue Mosque because of the color of its interior tiles. It is an Ottoman era historical imperial masjid which attracts large number of tourists and visitors. It was constructed between 1609 to 1616 during the rule of Sultan Ahmed I. Sadafar Mehmet Agha designed and built this masjid. Istanbul is one of the most important and historical city. Now we will tell you how this city was conquered by Sultan Muhammad Fateh during Ottoman Empire. Sultan Muhammad al-Fateh was the only one of the Sultan and army chiefs who defeated Constantine IX, penetrated the Byzantine defense line and conquered Constantinople that had never been done by the sultans and predecessors of the Islam before. This is Grand Bazaar. Grand Bazaar in Istanbul is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops on the total area of 30,700 square meter, attracting almost 4 lakh visitors daily. Unique about this bazaar is this, that it is one of the world's greatest shopping destinations. This bazaar was commissioned by Sultan Muhammad Fateh immediately after the Ottoman conquest of Istanbul in 1453 to provide financial resources for the Hagia Sophia. At the age of 21, Sultan Muhammad Fateh conquered Constantinople, modern day Istanbul, and brought an end to the Byzantine Empire. Istanbul is ruled by different nations of the world. It was ruled by Thracian tribes, Byzantine, Greeks, Persians, Spartans, Athens, Macedonians, and at the end, Muslims in the 15th century. And Sultan Muhammad Fateh was the Muslim ruler who made his first attack on 18th April 1453. During the massive three-wave attack of Ottoman at sunrise, they made the defense of Byzantine injured. Topkapi city walls and its high tower were destroyed by artillery fire and burning gunpowder. Constantine XI, along with his comrades, was killed by the Ottoman soldiers. In this way, Sultan Muhammad Fateh entered the city victorious and went to the dome of Hagia Sophia to get a view of Istanbul. Sultan Muhammad Fateh then ended the siege and Istanbul was declared the new capital of Ottoman Empire. This is Chamlicha Masjid. This is the largest masjid not only in Istanbul but also in Turkey. Grand Chamlicha Masjid is a place of Islamic worship which was completed and opened in March 2019. This masjid is located at the area of Oskidar in Istanbul. It is bigger enough that can carry 63,000 Muslims at one time for prayer. The name of this masjid got Chamlicha because of its Chamlicha mountain which is situated at the back of this masjid. This is Taksim Square street singer scene. Taksim Square is situated in Bayoglu in the European part of Istanbul. It is a major and layer part of the Turkey. It has a Republic monument. And in its surroundings, Taksim is a busy nightlife, shopping and dining areas. The thick network of side streets is filled with bars, antique shops, and street singers. The best food of Istanbul is Turkish scrambled eggs, Turkish tea, Turkish coffee, Turkish bagel, maize, Turkish pizza, and pied. The Galata Tower and Salmania Masjid are also significant historical places of Istanbul. The Salmania Masjid is an Ottoman imperial masjid which is located on the third hill of Istanbul, Turkey. The masjid was commissioned by Salman the Magnificent and designed by the imperial architect Mimar Sinan. An inscription specifies the foundation date of this masjid from 1550 and the inauguration date as 1557. It is one of the most beautiful Ottoman masjid, very clean, beautiful garden and the panoramic view of Galata Tower and Golden Horn. It also carries a remarkable museum. In this museum, holy items of Muslim history like kurta of Hazrat Fatima Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, the holy daughter of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the swords of great Muslim Sahabas, vases, bowls, glasses, turbans, royal seats, and some other memories from Islamic history are kept. This visit of museum will enhance spiritual spirit in a person. Here men and women need to cover shoulders and knees to visit. It will take around 1 hour to visit the whole masjid and museum. The visit would give you enough time to enjoy the beauty as well as the history of this masjid. Sultan Suleiman is also buried here. In addition to the tomb of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, the mausoleum houses of the tombs his daughter Mehrma Sultan, those two later Sultans Suleiman II and Ahmed II are also buried here. Hurram Sultan is also buried in Salmania Masjid. Dear viewers, now you can see the super tall new TV and radio tower. Now we are heading towards Turkish Night Cruise Istanbul. Here people experience luxury dinners and celebrate their special days with families. Dinner Cruise Bosphorus is offering appetizer, dinner, unlimited drinks, fruits and sweets. Bosphorus fish is the special item of this dinner. Here people enjoy songs and traditional dances. Hopefully, it was a knowledgeable sharing about the histories of different sides of Istanbul. Istanbul is a great city. I recommend you Istanbul for next visit and enjoy the amazing culture of this beautiful city. Thank you and Allah bless you all.